What's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will back again, and what's in the box? Got another box to crack open too, so let's get into it. Let's jump right on into it. This one, it looks like it has like a easy pull tab. So let's see how easy this tab is going to be. Maybe it's not an easy pull tab. Wow. Nope. I'm going to need the knife. That's not a knife. This is a knife. Oh my goodness. Okay. Now let's see if I can get into it. It is an easy pull tab, but it was not easy to get to. Okay, let's see. What do we have in the box? They put this in for cushion. Like this is really gonna stop anything from happening. Okay, there's the receipt, and what do we have here? Oh, okay. This is another one of the Dunhills. There we go, from the signature collection. Yeah, I've been trying to pick up a couple of these since they've gone. They've been discontinued. A lot of the icon and the signature ones, the ones that I was thinking about getting before, but I just hadn't gotten around to getting them. So I was like, all right, well, they're discontinued. I better hurry up and get them. So let's go ahead and chop right into it. And let's see. Here we go. Okay, get in there. Okay. I think that's good. All right, so here we go. It's the same box as all the other boxes, and this is the Moroccan Amber, and the box is pretty much the same. Bottle sits in there just like that, slides off the top, and the bottle sits snugly into the base. Not too bad. And as you know, the top is pretty solid, and it sticks into place, snaps in, and the name of the fragrance is on the top, written on the top there. Let's see if I can get that to come in. Moroccan, let me stop looking at my face. Moroccan Amber, right there. Okay, I've never smelled this one before, but this is one of the fragrances, one of the ones that they had from the signature collection that I was interested in. This one, the Egyptian smoke, I was interested in. The Indian sandalwood and amber, obviously. I'm interested in amber. Okay, this is different than what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be like a dark amber. This is more of a fresh amber. Like, it comes off like amber mixed with musk and like ginger. Yeah, this smells kind of fresh coming off the paper strip. Almost smells like an amber that you can wear in the summertime, and it reminds me of something. Reminds me of something else that I have. I'm gonna have to see what it is. I'm gonna see if I can figure out what it is, but let's go on skin, because we know that paper will not tell you the truth. So let's rock and see. Oh yeah, it's different on the skin, obviously. It always is. Not always. Sometimes it smells the same. Okay, but no, it did. I'm still getting the same vibe that I got from the paper. It's still a ambery kind of fresh kind of vibe. Yeah, I'm digging this. I'm digging this. It smells like something I think I have. So I'm gonna go grab it or see if I can figure out what it is, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna grab the notes. So hold on for a second. All right, so I'm back in. I let this dry down a little bit. Now the fragrance I was thinking about that it smells similar to, it's only in the opening. It's only when that first blast. I put the fragrance on here. Actually, now I'm starting to get a little bit closer. But the fragrance that I was saying that it reminded me of, it's not a clone of it. It just reminds me of it. And it's this one, Frank Olivier Amber. And that first blast, when I first sprayed it, both of them have that amber kind of fresh kind of ginger, like musk kind of vibe to it. When I first sprayed it on my skin. But they kind of go in different directions, like after about 10 minutes or so. And now they're smelling kind of close, but they're smelling like relatives, not like a clone or anything. So back to the fragrance I'm actually talking about, the Moroccan Amber. This one right here, great bottle, great fragrance. I'm sniffing it with the top on. Smells good. Smells good. Yeah, this is going to be really good for the fall and the winter time. So it probably could work in the summertime. I'm not sure if it's really hot outside. Maybe not, because it is kind of a rich fragrance. So it might be a little bit too dense. But when I first sprayed it, it did smell like it could work for it. But anyway, let's go into the notes for Moroccan Amber. The top notes are black pepper, cardamom, ginger, coriander. And then in the middle notes is hazelnut, saffron, and mortale. And then in the base notes, there's amber, leather, agarwood in the form of oud, and coffee tea. Coffee tea, I've never seen that before. That's a different kind of note. Now, what some people have said that I was looking at some things that people were speaking and said that it smells like. Some people were saying it smells a little bit like the one and the one EDP. I can see similar vibes of it, and it's from the cardamom, which I'm kind of smelling, but I wouldn't say it smells exactly like it, even though I wouldn't say it smells exactly like the Amber by Frank Olivier. But yeah, they say it smells like the one EDP and what was the other one? And Jazz Club. Doesn't smell anything like Jazz Club to me. Like, I'm not picking up anything from Jazz Club. So yeah. But yeah, that's what I just picked up. Just figured I'd share it with you guys. I went a little bit extra because when I smelled it, it reminded me of that Frank Olivier. I was like, what is that scent? But yeah, smells good. All right, there we go. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about this new Dunhill I just picked up. It's not a new fragrance, it's just new to me. Until next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.